Is vocal agility just for coloratura singers? Not in the 19th century, it wasn't. In the Bel Canto tradition, agility was part of every singer's training, and in this week's warm-up, it will be a part of yours too. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your COVO vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of COVO, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This month is Agility Month at COVO, and when I want inspiration for vocal agility exercises, I often turn to the vocal methods of the 19th century. During this era, the age of Bel Canto, vocal agility was a crucial attribute of all well-trained voices, not just a special skill reserved for coloratura singers, as it is sometimes considered in modern voice training. So today, I have selected for you 3 typical exercises from these 19th century books that show how singers were exercised in order to develop agility from the very beginning of their training. Our first exercise is a perfect example of a carefully sequenced basic exercise, one that all singers were expected to master. This particular example is a 3-tone scale exercise by Manuel Garcia Jr., one of the most influential voice teachers of the 19th century. And he had a bit of an advantage there, seeing as how he lived an entire century. He passed away at the age of 101. This exercise follows a very common pattern in 19th century vocal methods, the progressive shortening of note values. So I refer to this as the quest method for building speed and accuracy in vocal agility patterns. QU in the word quest represents quarter notes, which we will sing first. E stands for eighth notes. This is where we're going to repeat the pattern twice in the second measure. And ST in the word quest is for 16th notes, the ultimate agility goal of the exercise. Now you'll notice that there are no words or syllables here in the 19th century Bel Canto vocal exercise books. This was actually more common than not. Most vocalizing like this was done on the ah vowel. So even though that is not my personal favorite vowel to use in the middle voice, we will use it here to stay aligned with that tradition. So let's give it a try. Feel free to take a breath at any of the bar lines. So this is our pulse. Here we go. good basic. Our next exercise comes from Laure Cinti-Damoreau, a French coloratura soprano who taught at the Paris Conservatory in the mid-19th century and was among the earliest women to publish a vocal method. So this exercise begins with alternating notes, which are often more difficult to coordinate cleanly than the scale patterns we've just been practicing. These alternating figures are then interspersed with 5-tone scales. Alternating notes, 5-tone scales, alternating notes, etc. Requiring the voice to shift quickly between these two different types of pitch pattern. I'll play the whole thing. Alternating scale, alternating, then a scale, alternating, then a scale back down. So we'll start modest in tempo, see if we could speed up as we go. And again, we're going to sing this on the ah vowel, although if you want to choose a different vowel, I won't tell on you. Give this a try. You can take a breath at the bar line if you need. Nicely done. Our final exercise comes from my personal favorite 19th century vocal exercise book, An Hour of Study by Pauline Viardot, who, as it happens, was the sister of Manuel Garcia, whose exercise we sang at the start of this warm-up routine. Now, this exercise highlights a different kind of vocal agility, not fast notes necessarily, although you could perform it fast, but agility in changing melodic direction. Instead of stepwise motion, standard scales, we're going to be singing arpeggiated chords, some of which are in an unusual order. The pattern goes like this. Oh, out of order. Note the repeat sign. And we have to end on the highest note. Now, Viardot sometimes indicated that her exercises could be sung on the O vowel rather than just ah. So I will take advantage of that here. You're welcome to do the same, or actually to choose any vowel that feels comfortable. Let's try this nice and slow. Please breathe whenever you need to. Here's our starting tone. Let's see if we can flow through that a little bit more. And a little faster still. Take this exercise a few half steps higher, but if and when this gets too high for you, you can just drop down the octave or take a break until we come back down. Turn around here and we'll speed up a little. Is very challenging. So I hope this routine gave you a feel for 19th century bel canto agility, helping your voice to move with greater flexibility, also greater precision. If you enjoyed this exercise routine, we've got more for you. Every week we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and details on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any new Kovo warm-up routines, you can subscribe to the channel or use the link below to have each new vocal exercise routine of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, longevity, and agility. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.